apparently there's been a moose walking by here, Craig, recently.
This makes me think of what I want to say about this weather coming up this week. Well, poop!
Hey, look, there's the north end of a southbound moose.
All I can say is yup.
Well, see, we found the...
Oh! Talk about blind corners.
There's two mooses.
We just scared them. Sorry, moosies.
Yep, there are two moose. This is why you can't see snowmobiles when they're coming up at these intersections. Hi, I'm Mike Bogden.
And Craig Neville.
And it's the Island Park Weekly Weather Report for...
Wednesday, March 8th, 2023, and the 6 days thereafter.
That's right, and we're coming to you from over on Big Springs Avenue.
Yeah.
To make a point that the berms are so high you can't see anything at the intersection.
There are lots of blind intersections around.
Yep, and...
we got many out in my neighborhood, too.
That's right. In fact, we actually didn't even see the moose until...
No, that's why you got that whoa for me.
Yeah,
Yes.
there you go. Anyway, so let's talk about the weather for a minute, Craig.
Okay, all right.
So we got snow coming.
We do have some snow coming. We got a little bit coming tonight, maybe an inch or two.
Yep.
And then Thursday it'll clear out, but then Thursday night the next round comes in for all of Friday and probably Saturday morning.
Yep, and temperatures during that time we're looking at, so it's going to be cold on
we're gonna make it up into
Wednesday
the 20s today.
Yep.
Maybe low to mid 20s today, and then Thursday we'll drop it back down to the high teens because it's gonna be only partly cloudy.
Yep.
And tonight I'm expecting it to go down to single digits. Mike thinks it's only going to go down to the low teens.
Yeah, low teens, but right in there, we're 5 degrees apart, but it's going to be cold.
That'll depend upon how much clouds there are tonight.
Exactly.
And then Thursday it'll be partly cloudy, but Thursday night it's going to warm up a little bit.
There's the moose.
There's the moose.
Yeah, there we go.
Hi, moose. Sorry, didn't mean to startle you. Oh, wow. Good jump.
Yep. Anyway, so
Thursday night,
the
storm will start moving in for definitely Friday.
Yep.
Oh, and then there's a snowmobiler.
That we couldn't see.
Yes.
Yeah. We make our point.
Yep.
Yep.
And that's why the moose came back up.
Yeah.
Yep.
because the moose saw the video on YouTube about the guy that was up here that got run over by a moose when he was trying to wave his arms.
Yes.
Which is an important thing to remember while we're getting into this other thing is, if you see a moose on the trail, don't try to wave him off by jumping off your sled and wave it at him. Just go ahead and give him an out. Give him more room. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, back to the weather.
So
Thursday
night. It should not, let's see, it is still going to be a little bit chillier, but I do expect the storm to start moving in. Maybe that's why it'll be a little bit chillier, a little bit colder air being pushed in.
Yeah, it could be. Or it just could be that it's going to be chillier and then the storm will move in a little bit later.
Yeah. But Friday, there's going to be snow.
Yep, snow Friday.
I'm looking probably 5 or 6 inches on Friday, and then another 3 or 4 inches Friday night. So add that up.
Yeah, so we're going to be pushing somewhere between 8 and 12 inches of snow.
Yep, I think. And then Saturday morning I'm expecting another inch. And Saturday's temperature daytime.
Daytime temperature is going to be creeping up above freezing.
So Saturday I think it's going to be high 20s. And then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we're going to broach the freezing mark.
It's going to be creeping up.
We'll see who's right on that one.
Well, it's going to be creeping up.
It's going to creep up.
So we're going to get some warmer temperatures over the latter part of the weekend for sure.
Yeah.
And with that, we're going to get, and probably our least snowy day is going to be Sunday.
Will be Sunday, although I'm still expecting some light snow flurries.
Yeah, but least snowy and also the mildest temperature will be.
But temperatures up into the low 30s. And
Yep.
then Monday, I think mid-30s, and Tuesday we might even be looking high 30s, maybe even pushing that
to
40 mark.
Maybe 40, but I'm thinking probably 38, 39, but right in that ballpark somewhere. And so we're looking at warming up. but we'll still be getting moisture, coming into Monday and Tuesday.
Yep. So another small storm should be coming in.
Tuesday should be probably the most weather of the first of the week.
Yep, I see 1 to 3 inches Tuesday, 1 to 3 inches Tuesday night.
Now, just be aware that if it's 40 degrees and we got weather, we may not be getting snow. We may actually get some rain.
So I'm also going to expect that on the Friday one too. We may see rain in the afternoon, but still all that snow accumulation. So that means it's probably going to be heavy, wet snow that we get for that foot. And then Tuesday, I might expect more rain than snow.
Yeah, I mean, if it's daytime stuff.
Yeah.
So it just depends on when we get the moisture. But we're looking at, we're get this little bit of, we're getting our first toe in on a little warming trend coming up.
Yeah.
And this is a preview of things to come.
Yeah.
Because we're going to end up it's going to start warming up here in the next couple weeks, where we're going to be consistently above freezing. But it doesn't look like the moisture is going to come to a quick conclusion. So
no, which is making me a little bit concerned.
Yep. So anyway, so just be aware of that. But we're a few weeks out yet from consistently warm temperatures, but we're getting close now. But the moisture is not stopping anytime soon, so we still got moisture coming in. So anyway, so be aware of that.
Which is all right, because we do need the water still.
We do need the water, and this is.
That's what I'm going to keep telling myself.
Yeah, and you can tell how high the berms are. So, so we've got, we're having a hard time trying to find places to put snow now. I got to go slide a roof, and there's really only about 4 feet down where it can fall after I slide it.
Oh no, you're going to be still touching the eaves when you get down, aren't you?
Yeah, but it takes the weight off. It transfers the weight to the ground. Anyway,
I've heard that from a lot of customers at the store too, that their snow machines just can't blow it up over the banks anymore.
No, there's even Greg's having trouble with it dropping back down.
Oh,
Anyway,
wow.
so we're just enjoying the winter snow. The snowmobiling is excellent.
It is wonderful
and
up here.
And so come on up, enjoy.
And I still have trail passes if you haven't gotten yours already.
Yeah, so come up and enjoy the snow. We're gonna have it for a while, but other than that, just be cautious, be careful while you're doing stuff. Especially go slow during these intersections, like these snowmobiles that were behind us did.
Very slow. So creep up on the corner.
Yeah. Listen a little bit. And if you got a white car truck, you might have to
paint some black stripes on it.
No, you're gonna have to stop and listen for a minute to make sure nobody's coming, because you pull out with a white truck, they're not gonna see you.
You're just blending in.
Yeah, so and we don't want that either. So we want everybody to go home safe. So be careful, but just remember that it's a great time of year. We're almost to the point where we're going to start seeing the change of everything, and
yes.
Which we are all looking forward to greatly.
Very much so.
But with as much snow as we got, it's going to be a while before we see dirt. Yeah.
Actually, on the road going out
to
my house.
Okay, the plowed roads, yes, they'll melt. But I'm talking about dirt everywhere else.
Yeah. We could be looking well into June this year. So,
but
that also depends on how much it warms up starting in April.
That's true, and how much more snow we get.
That's true. Or rain.
Yeah, exactly.
Rain will help get rid of this.
Yes, it will.
Yes.
And so will wind.
And so will warm wind.
Yes. So, but don't break any warm wind right now.
Say, I'm going to go home and make some more chili.
All right, so from Island Park, this is Mike Bogden.
And Craig Neville of Robin's Roost.
Wishing you the best. Be safe, be careful. Above all, remember we love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.